My name is Kiara Baker. I'm 42 years old, and I'm a military spouse, stay-at-home mom, and basically holding the family together. Life was throwing my family one thing after the next, and I didn't know exactly what I needed. But 2 years ago, I'd met Sarah by attending one of her yoga retreats. And even though we live far apart now, by being able to utilize yoga therapy, it was a journey that I knew I just felt that I could get something out of it. What surprised me the most about yoga therapy is I just didn't have a full understanding of what our sessions would be like. And it was kind of this magical time of figuring out what I needed to acknowledge, and whether that was emotional or physical, and finding the best path forward. There were so many ways that Sarah helped give me the tools to come at what was causing issues to improve that situation. And by addressing those things from so many different ways, I found it to be so effective. One of the main things that I also felt was just a reduction in stress. Finding my breath, feeling rooted, being present in what I was doing. Those were all things that, as my life felt like it was kind of spinning out of control, it helped me refocus my energy and not only be better at what I was doing in that moment, but better for my family, making sure that I was getting the self-care that I needed. Working with Sarah, she has so many tools and resources and background knowledge. It's every appointment was just amazing. Give it a try. I think you'll be amazed with what you come away with. I felt that I had results so much faster from this method than what I would have had in any other way.